We're gonna make a pollo guisado. Hey y'all, my name is Illyanna Maisonet, and I'm the first Puerto Rican food columnist in the country. I'm also the author of Puerto Rican, a Puerto Rican cookbook that was just released, and today I'm gonna show you how to make two things. I'm gonna show you how to make sofrito, and we're gonna make a pollo guisado, which is basically a chicken braised dish. Sofrito is super easy to make. I got all of these ingredients at the farmer's market yesterday. All you do is break down all these ingredients and put them in the blender. It's really that easy. So you definitely want tomato, bell pepper, cilantro, onion, garlic, let it rip. It's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, okay. The amount of flavor that this is gonna give your food, as opposed to the time that it took to create, is unfair. See how chunky it is? And I didn't have to add any water because most of the water is coming from those tomatoes. I use this for almost every type of cooking. You can use chicken breast. You can use chicken legs. I'm gonna use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It's quicker and it's just more convenient for me. So I'm gonna take a little bit of 50-50 oil. This is half olive oil, half canola oil. I'm gonna season my chicken thighs. Sazon is another important ingredient in Puerto Rican cooking. It's basically a seasoning blend. I'm also going to use adobo, which is another seasoning blend, and it's going to give it a really bright yellow color. The smaller you break it down, the quicker it'll cook. I just want to put a little bit of sear on it. It's not incredibly important or crucial, but I just like the way that it gives it a little extra flavor. I'm also going to hit it with a little bit of salt. See that color? Beautiful. I'm going to add 8 ounces of tomato sauce. I'm going to add a teeny tiny bit of sofrito. We're going to add more water later, but I just want to start it out and see where it goes first, you know? I'm just going to let it come to a rolling boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to medium high. I'm going to use half of this potato. The size doesn't matter. The smaller you put the size, the quicker it'll cook. There's Spanish green olives. These have the pit in them. They have the pit because when you bite into them, it kind of like releases like a burst of like brininess that is kind of like crucial to how rich this dish can get. If you do not like olives, you can just use olive brine. So I'm gonna do both. I'm also gonna add in these rainbow baby carrots. I'm gonna bring it back to high so it comes to a boil again. So I'm gonna make rice. You don't have to make rice. Rice. Kapow. So this is pollo guisado. Oh, it's like my favorite thing ever. Bye.